Good morning, John. What are you preparing for
Good morning,
us today?
Michaela. Today we're doing my mom's favorite, which is stuffed marrows, and we're gonna fill it up with bolognese today.
I see that you've already cut up the onions, carrots, celery and parsley, and you're going to fry the beef until brown.
That's it. So now, what we start is, we get a pan really hot. When the pan gets really hot, we put some oil in it. And we put the ground beef in. And cook it until it's brown. We break it. So after 20 minutes, your mince should look like this. Crunchy, quite crunchy. You put it aside. And you can use the same pot to start sauteing the vegetables. Some more olive oil. And you can put in straight away the carrots and the onions, the celery, and the garlic.
This smells amazing. John, what now?
So now the vegetables are softened. What we're gonna do is we put a tablespoon, a little bit more maybe, of tomato paste. We mix it.
That looks so good. It looks yummy.
Thank you very much. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the beef to it. The tomato sauce. We could add some water or some stock after. And that's it for now. We season it with salt and pepper.
It's very generous. It's a lot of salt.
Always. There's never enough salt for chefs. I put some fresh thyme here, which always makes nice. And now we let it simmer slowly. And wait for a good 45 minutes. So now our mince has cooled down. We can start adding the other ingredients with it. We start with a bit of ricotta. We can start breaking it inside it. It's okay to leave it in bits and chunks. It would be quite...
Does it add more texture?
more texture to the end of the dish. Herbs.
That's parsley, right? We said.
This time we're using chives.
Oh, chives. Okay. Could you use something else instead?
You can use parsley, you can use basil, tarragon, whatever there is. This time we're gonna do some grated Parmesan.
Lots and lots of cheese, right? Is
Lots
that
and
our
lots of cheese.
Okay.
And now we leave it there. We'll start by cutting in half the marrows. And we start by digging in, but leave a sort of like a wall.
Okay.
Otherwise it comes too thin and they will sort of puncture.
Does the filling would leak out?
Yes, so that, like that, would be great. These ones, you take the top off.
Would you use the tops and filling for anything, or would
Some
they
people
discard it?
tend to put it back when it cooks.
Okay.
They sort of put it like that.
But it has...
As long as you peel off the seeds, it should be enough. So now the water is boiling. We put them in for a couple of minutes.
Just until they soften, right?
Yes, just until little, we don't need them too soft. And we're gonna add 1 egg to the mixture.
Why would you add an egg, John?
Just to bind it all up, really. Make sure now. Yeah, good mix. One should do. We don't want it too tense, so and that should be enough. Give it some moisture and to bind it. These ones, as you can see, are quite al dente. They're not cooked right through. All we do is we get a spoonful and just top it up like this. We top it up again with the grated Parmesan.
More cheese. I love cheese.
You can use Parmesan, you can use Cheddar, you can use mozzarella, you can
You
use
can use a
combination. So now we're gonna put it in the oven,
At which temperature?
180 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. So now, got them out of the oven. What we're gonna do is just serve them. Some people have them as main course, people have them as sides. So it's up to you how you would like them.
Do you have a side dish to go with it?
Yeah, we made some Maltese traditional baked potatoes, with onion, fennel seeds.
That looks really good.
So what we do is just a little bit like that. You get some of the crispy potatoes, some of the soft ones. That should be it, really. Some chives and some olive oil, and we're good to go.
Sure your mom's gonna love it. Well done.
I hope so. And that should be it.
Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.